This is Tubbo. Oh, I have to move him so he gets happy.
Stretch and rake.
Oh my god, I'm done with Edia. You wanna hear me slam my Chromebook?
Yes.
Beat that.
Beat what?
Beat that.
Okay.
Holy shit.
I beat that. Drop the bombs! Drop the bombs! Drop the bombs! Is my game lagging?
Yes. Definitely.
Okay, I'm in
Absolutely.
China. I made it to China already.
Let's play gas station cunt.
What the hell? Did they update it? This is so stupid.
Oh, I see you. Okay.
Use the crow. Oh, whoops.
Holy moly.
Holy moly. I found my plane.
Not for long.
Yeah.
I just fell
Are
out
we
the map.
ready to We're ready to shoot. Did you actually?
Yes, I died.
This is pretty good. This is alright. I'll put this
I'm
one.
wondering what he's gonna do.
Yeah, it all depends on him.
Ruined. Wait, do it again. I didn't hear it. Thank you. Oh my god. And then he quits.
It's pretty good though. Still good.
No.
Leave.
Oh my god.
No, I didn't.
Where
You
did
named
Jebbles go?
You named Great Master.
Is he behind this building? Jebbles! I found him.
Breakfast sandwich? Eat my ass!
Snowball fight. I'll put Great Pyramid of Giza. Penis.
Penis.
Like how the Wolverine scratches his anus.
I don't
Like-
remember that.
Do you
I remember that.
I
part.
remember
that was my
in
favorite.
the original Wolverine comics, it said that he scratches his anus with his Wolverine talons.
No.
What's wrong
Literally
with-
Rigby. I'm literally Rigby. Stop
Oh
talking!
yeah, well I'm literally talking about Wolverine anus scratching scene.
Stop!
Okay.
If I didn't have that.
Dax, I'm stuck in your juicing machine.
Why don't you just go on TikTok? Where are you, bitch? Get out my juice machine.
I can't, I'm stuck.
Oh my god!
I try.
It is,
You're probably
it
right.
is, in my opinion,
I don't know how to get it to do.
the most
I don't know how to get
Wolverine
it-
anus scratching, eye patching, trapdoor latching, baseball catching, cookie batching, couple matching, eggshell hatching, sports ball watching app that I have on my phone.
You're just saying shit.
You're just mad.
Shut up!
Haters hate. Haters hate. I be winning.
Haters hate. Haters hate.
We're wearing the same pants. These are the worst avatars I've ever seen. Except for maybe yours.
What's wrong with mine? Langdon.
Landon! Landon!
Langston!
Lincoln.
Oh my god, I might have saved my life.
Langston?
I said Langdon, and it gave me. Oh my god!
I put... Wait, why? I said South America, and it just put in America.
South America is a continent.
Oh, shit. I'm stupid.
Oh. Oh, no! You ruined that. So.
I think you're.
Oh my god!
What?
You grinded my gears here, buddy.
Listen,
Don't get on my nerve. You don't want to see me when I'm angry.
Oh.
News flash.
You
Past
just-
endings.
you get on my
Newsflash, pal.
News.
I don't take
Oh.
kindly to these kinds of terms. Okay?
Hit the road, Jack.
Did you read? Did you? He's hitting the hay.
Just hold your horses
Guys,
real
I'm gonna hit
quick.
this back. See you.
Guys, I'm calling it quits for the night. Hit time's 9:30.
City.
Shut
Yeah, no,
up.
I'm ditching her. I'm
Oh,
going
voice-
over this
voice
new.
crack- voice
Okay,
crack.
let's go to my voice crack
My- my
compilation.
voice-
Nice voice crack. There.
Their name
There's
is
44
Roblox.
other
Their name is
one and
Roblox
only
Wolverine.
double.
Let's go to my
Just
compilation too.
No,
Why
you
would you
didn't.
win it only
This is
You
double?
didn't hear that.
I don't know.
Boom shakalaka, I just made that shot.
Shut up. You just
I-
posted a status update that said my throbbing monster.
Yeah, I know. I don't,
Abby, why do you have a blue shrub on your island?
because I
And
got him.
RGB gaming toe jammer.
I know, right? I love him.
Where are you getting 23 from?
Factoring.
Okay, yeah, you
Watch, it'll be
factor-
right
bro,
anyway, so.
You factor 40. Oh,
Yeah, shut the hell up, Brian.
If I have
I got a
a
huge boner.
okay, if I have a 77.
What?
okay, Dylan.
How are you? Fuck you.
What?
What?
Where are you from?
Bikini Bottom.
Where are you from, bro?
Dwight.
Dwight. His name is Dwight. Chicken.
So ask him his opinion on Pakistan.
Can you show your feet to the next person?
No.
Can you wiggle your toes?
No.
It looks like
Is
a
that
penis.
Shakespeare?
He looks like a penis.
Uncircumcised.
What you talking about?
The bottom. The bottom of my face is on.
Oh.
Rehearsing for our school play, I would still be the big wolf in class, dude. All right, you
What,
had
you
to
blew
have
people
his
in class? That's
mentality.
crazy.
No, I would like blow them in class and stuff.
Whoa!
That is the point.
Oh, let me know you a kid blow for real.
How?
I don't know. I just got here.
Where? Oh my god. No way. It is a huge fall. I'm gonna watch you.
I did a flip. I did this.
Oh my god.
Oh, there's a guy here.
Mhm.
Oh my god.
No.
Yeah. Meaning that I.
What do I do?
Oh no. This sucks.
Okay.
It is the
I'm
Gmod
just gonna
car.
go for it.
Wow.
Oh my god, I'm insane.
What?
Name a hamburger topping.
Sesame seed bun. Oh my god. It was
It's the worst. Oh my god. It's not even funny.
Common wheelchair user L.
Oh my god.
What, did you get bombed or something?
No, that big plane just fucking crashed into a building, 9/11. Shia LaBeouf.
Oops, accidentally leveled up Warner Shield.
Oh, that guy's a legend.
Me?
Oh, the guy that threw it back. I'm throwing a little
What?
throwing an explosion up there. They threw it back!
I'm bombing this farmer's house.
What? Suck his dick so hard, his chest caves in like a Capri Sun.
Whoa. Oh my god, it's
Who the
the
hell
meat
is
dropper I
Dumbo?
was talking about.
Oh my god. Okay, what the flip?
Holy moly.
They're procreating in Roblox.
Let's target the red team. Oh no. Okay.
Oh,
It's raining hard outside.
you know what else is? You know what?
Doesn't even make sense.
I'm jumping on this guy's wiener.
What?
Wake up. All my employees are sleeping. Except for Smek. Never mind, Smek
I'm a
just
hard
went to
worker.
sleep right in front of me.
Oh.
You what? There you kid. Smek. I'm gonna lick your taint.
I wish I could merge monkeys in real life.
I wish I could merge monkeys in real life too.
I wish I could merge monkeys in real life.
I would never merge a monkey in real life.
Coward. You're just afraid of
Yeah.
the consequences.
I am. I don't know what would happen.
Green monkey.
That is what would happen.